Casey.
And I'm Joel.
And hey, we cannot wait to be with you guys for your marriage conference coming up on June 20th and June 22nd.
We're going to be talking about personality-based marriage. Now, if you don't know this yet or not, but did you know your spouse has a different personality than you? Well, if you didn't know that, or if you did know that, we're going to help you to be able to navigate personality differences so that you can have the marriage you've always dreamed.
We were yellers in my house, and we would just yell about everything. Like, you know, you spill something on the floor, it was this big explosion, yell about everything.
And at my house, we didn't say nothing.
Nothing.
Right? We would just, you'd feel it in the house. Everything okay? Yeah, everything's okay. It was like we'd walk around, microwaving metal, inside of us. Something's wrong, How are you doing today? Everything's fine. Really? Everything's fine? Yes. Some of you are married to a person just like that. So put us together and guess what you're going to get.
I've been married for 47 years. I know the stress that the world can throw at you. I know the pain the enemy wants to afflict on you.
We're hoping to get out of the marriage conference insight, wisdom, and knowledge on how to truly put God at the center of our marriage in good times and the really challenging times.
No matter what comes at your marriage, you'll have the tools to be able to handle that in a healthy, in the most healthiest way. So that other people, you would be a witness to other people of God's grace in your life.
Do you feel like I'm teachable in our marriage? And his face was like, and I was like, don't get defensive, Casey. Don't get defensive. Be teachable. Be humble. I was like, that told me everything I needed to know.
Pastor Trevor here.
And I'm Sarah. Really excited about just taking time and making the space for just our marriage and being able to get to know each other a little bit more. Just going through life, just adulting with kids, sports, everything. Just taking like a moment to like really dedicate time to get to know each other just a little bit more.
Yeah, we know that the daily grind, those of you with kids, is a real thing. So being able to get away and invest in your marriage is super important.
And just how to deal with obstacles and throughout our marriage and whatever may come, and just to put God at the center of it all and how to deal with it.
June
20th, June 22nd, mark your calendars, get signed up because we can't wait to meet you and spend some great time with you guys.
See you, Anchor.
See you soon.